How do you make your man better?
I think by pushing him towards his goals and making sure that he's not going through whatever he's going through by himself.
Okay.
So when you're going through something, I'm right here by your side. Never gonna leave you for a mistake. Come on now. I might be mad at you, but I'm never gonna leave you. And whatever you pushing towards, I'm supporting you. Men go through a lot of shit when they leave the house. You just gotta worry about getting pulled over, worry about making money, not losing their job, because that shit can just happen right now. I can't stress him out because his attitude reflects off me.
Go ahead, Diana. Unmute yourself.
Hi.
Hello. Hold on.
Hey,
Hold on.
That's that boy, Pensive Mind. Y'all go and support that boy, Pensive Mind, man. We all working, trying to, you feel me, come up together. So we need to support each other, you feel me? And if y'all start a YouTube channel or whatnot, let me know. I'll help support y'all as well. Feel me? I'm about to come up for everybody. You hear me? But hey, look into the video, man.
How old are you?
25. I'm just playing. I'm 29.
25 or 29?
No, I said 25. I'm 29 though.
25?
Yes.
Oh, you're trying to say you're fine.
Yeah, I was just being funny. But yeah.
I find it funny how Kevin just puts on camera right away. Like,
hey, let me put on
the
there.
judge of that one. But
So,
already being
hey, but she ain't no ugly girl, so I ain't in a women bashing business. You hear me? She's a pretty girl. You feel me? We don't want to do that over here. Players, real, you feel me? Real men. We stand on our business, but at the same time, we tell the truth, but we don't disrespect women. Like, you feel me? That's just that. You hear me?
It's crazy.
29.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I do. I have 2.
2?
Mm-hmm.
What's your husband's name?
Pending.
Pending
Don't
charges?
have one. No.
Okay.
No.
So,
I don't have a husband. I'm not married.
So the question becomes, why are black women losing high value black men to white women? But I'm getting. Why do you think that is?
I think.
Do you? Go ahead.
Okay, so if you take into consideration white privilege, if I may, it may give someone a relaxed or they probably won't have so much aggression inside of them if they have that white privilege, or certain things in life are maybe going a bit more smoother than the black woman.
You mean white women have it easier? That's why they're easier to be with?
I do agree. That is exactly what I'm saying.
Really?
I do agree.
Oh,
I
no,
think
no. We don't overtalk. That's the only thing we don't do. Where do you live? What state?
I live in South Florida.
Oh, shit, Florida. Florida chick. Hey, them Florida one. Like I said, one from Florida, one's from Cali, one's from Louisiana. Hey, that ain't no joke.
Have you ever gone to a colors-only restaurant? Colors-only restroom? Maybe I had to sit at the back of the bus? Okay.
No, I wasn't.
Tell me how old are you? You're 29. Tell me how troubled your life is because you're black in this country.
He finna get in this topic. You know, I had a whole channel on that. I had to ease off that because I'm like, bro, I cannot be my channel muted and demonetized. But this is true. I'm not going into it no more. But I might, like I say, I don't know. I might keep it up on another channel because the channel I don't care about being monetized. Just so y'all can, because I know it's a lot of views on this stuff, like white privilege and all this. Does it exist? Does it don't? There's a lot of views on this, but
I've been in positions where I'm just constantly defending myself because of
defending yourself. Like what?
In school, I've dealt with like discriminative teachers and police officers
How you dealing with police officers? You gotta usually have an infraction or violate the law.
Well, the school resource officer just wasn't as fond or friendly to me as he was to like the other non-Black counterparts or students. So I felt.
So everywhere you go, you problems just seem to follow you.
No, not every single place. Like right now, like with my job and stuff like that, I don't feel like I'm being discriminated against or anything like that, but I would not say that it hasn't happened this year.
So high value Black men, Black women are losing high value Black men to white women because white women have white privilege, and it's easier to be a white woman to be a Black woman in this country because you got discrimination and police officers.
Yeah, I think we need to continue to listen, like really heed our ear to what he's saying, because he putting out some game right here.
I don't want to say white privilege is solely the reason, but I do want that to be considered when you bring the topic.
I don't think it's one thing to consider at all.
So you don't think Black women have a disadvantage at all compared to white
it's your
women?
bad attitude. Yep, your bad attitude is a big disadvantage.
I agree, man. Black women don't have a disadvantage. Actually, they got an advantage because I think Black women are the most prettiest women. Some of the most prettiest women on earth. I had reservations because my wife is Hispanic. I want her to see it and be like, oh, so you saying you want to be with a Black? I'm like, no, I'm just saying Black women. You got to talk. Black women are beautiful, and they are some of the most beautiful women on earth. So I don't think you got a disadvantage because you Black. Nah, some of y'all got a disadvantage because, like you said, how y'all act. Because a lot of men want to be with Black women, but they can't. They just can't get you. Not Black women, but Black American women. You feel me? Because other Black women, a lot of the culture is different in other countries. You feel me? But we're talking about American Black women. You feel me?
The same thing Shahrazad Ali's been saying for the last 30 plus years. Your horrid attitude. You know, the thing that keeps you in conflict with resource officers at your school, looking for reasons to justify why you can just close your mouth and do what you're supposed to do.
Kevin, I'm sure.
No, ma'am. I'm sure you understand that these people don't get up in the morning and say, you know what, my day ain't gonna be complete until I can oppress a Black woman and racially discriminate against her. And this is in South Florida, right?
Yep.
At a school.
Yep.
What kind of school?
It's a suburban school, predominantly white school.
Suburban school. I don't know what kind of school that means. Junior college, high school. What is it?
Oh, high school. Sorry. High school.
What are you doing? What are you doing at a high school?
No, I was just saying, like, I was just starting in the inception of discrimination.
No, ma'am. You talk like this is going on today.
Right. I've dealt with discrimination this year as well.
No, ma'am. You talked about school. When was the last time you were in school?
The last time I was in school, probably like 3 years ago.
Was this college or was this?
That was college.
Okay, so you graduated high school at what age?
At 18.
So that was like 11 years ago?
Yes.
And you're going to tell me that you're going to go all the way back 18 years or more to find a issue with a school resource officer to talk about problems in 2021?
Well, yeah, because that's
and that makes sense to her?
Not at all.
Well, yeah. It's that victim card. Yeah. It's that victim card BS. All right. This is that victim card BS. No accountability. None.
Right. And you can do all of that. Tell me what the name of your therapist is.
I don't have a therapist.
Okay.
Oh, well, I mean.
No. You can identify the source of your run-ins with the law of the school resource office in high school over a decade ago, but you can't identify that you may need to deal with that in a therapist's office?
I don't think that's something that I need to
I'll
deal
make you famous.
You sound zip
as
damn
far
crazy.
as
You sound zip damn crazy, and just like so many women today, you sound like you lack mad accountability.
accountability for
You are
being
your own worst
discriminated
enemy.
against.
No, you're your own worst enemy. I don't care about you were discriminated against 11 years ago in high school.
Yeah, what?
You're
Right,
a woman
I
with
can
two.
give you
You're
another.
2 years. You're a woman with 2 kids.
That's a fact, bro. It's just like a lot of black women. It's just like not just black women, but us too. It's like we hold that victim mentality in our mind, and that keeps us from moving forward. Well, I just preached when I said that, but some of y'all might not like it, but that's the truth. Until we let that victim mentality go, you will never move forward. I do not wake up in the morning and say, "Oh, because I'm a black man, life can be harder for me." Nah, I wake up in the morning and I say, "Well, you know what? This is what Martin Luther King died for us, the opportunity that we have today. This is what Malcolm X, they fought for us to have, the opportunity we have today. So I'm going to take advantage of every bit of the opportunity that I have today. I'm not looking at what they did in the 1800s, whatever, how they treated. Nah, I got all the opportunity today to succeed and do whatever I need to do today. And I'm letting go of every bit of victim mentality. I ain't blaming nobody. Let's get it. Every day, let's get it. That's just that. No victim mentality. You feel me? Until we let that go, bro, you're not gonna make it far.
Did your baby daddies did either one want to marry you, or did they discriminate against you against that too?
I'm not sure who you're referring to as they, because I don't have more than one. Don't assume.
Okay, one.
He tried to get her though. He tried to catch her up. He did say they. That's what he tried to catch her up.
Say what?
I said I don't know who you're referring to as they because I don't have more than one.
Okay, but you don't have one husband either, right?
No, not yet.
Okay, why didn't you marry this man that you had 2 kids for?
Valid point.
That's something that we're working on right now, and we
You already got the babies. You already got the babies. Why didn't you work on that before?
So I was gonna answer. So we did not do that because I actually just didn't listen to my father.
See, again, problem with authority. Your father discriminated. Your father discriminated against you too?
No, he doesn't.
Okay, but you didn't listen to that authority figure, and look at what it got you.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Like I said, your own worst enemy, your badass attitude.
It was just.
But you're 25.
25.
Speechless.
It was more so me not wanting to put my body through that. So that's why I went against what my dad recommended.
Excuse me?
I said it was me not wanting to put my body through like a termination. I was already pregnant. So I went through with the pregnancy against my dad's wishes.
And then what about baby number 2?
Baby number 2 came and I decided.
Right. And again, another goddamn excuse. Another lacking accountability.
That's true.
What do I need to account for?
What? That it wasn't everyone else's fault? That you had a father figure that told you differently? That you still did the opposite?
I'm missing something. What do I need to account for?
Yeah, you're missing common damn sense. Your father gave you good information and you didn't listen.
Exactly.
You know condoms, you know birth control, but yet you, just like you don't listen to the school resource office, you don't listen to your own damn dad. And then you got your fast ass out here in the streets and made yourself a baby mama. And then you say, well, I don't want to put myself through that termination. Okay.
Boy, he cooking her with grease. Yeah, hear me, bro. He cooking, bro. He cooking, bro. I'm telling you. Feel me? This is a good video, man. Hey, grab you some bourbon if you haven't already. and chill with me. You feel me? You know I'm a whiskey guy. You feel me? I'm getting older now, so you feel me? I'm not like a super like drinker. I don't drink a lot. You feel me? Because I be working so much. I'm always doing if I'm not doing videos, but these dogs be taking so much time. I handle so much stuff. You feel me? These dogs, and then I also work as a firefighter. You feel me? So I'm doing a lot of stuff. And my goal is to you can't be just drinking and on drugs all the time if you're trying to make it somewhere. You know, trying to build a business, trying to do. You know what I'm saying? You cannot be the type who's drinking all the time or smoking all the time. Because your mind has to be right. You got to be sharp, you know. Then at the same time, I got to be a husband to my wife. I got to spend time with her. You feel me? So.
I was supposed to argue you over that point, but I didn't. I let you have it. And then you laid up and did it again.
That is true.
Lacking accountability.
Yep.
I think the grilling session over with. Oh no, she back in.
Woman.
She back in.
A baby factory incarnate. White people putting her down, daddy oppressing her, but she 25. Keep looking at herself because attention is like oxygen to these folks. Yep. You came on here just to, hey, look at me. I'm on the Kevin Samuels show. Yeah, girl, you was looking good.
I'll make you famous.
Said I'll make you famous.
You told him them white folks keeping you down. That's why she couldn't get a high value black man. White privilege. I'm sorry. This is black ignorance.
Sure is.
Ignorance.
You told her the truth.
Rampant ignorance.
You told her the truth,
white
though.
women got it easier. When's the last time you actually experienced some real discrimination? Oh man, they're back in school. They're keeping the sister down. They're fucking with
going in, boy.
God. I hope that father is raising the kids because women like that.
But that's the end of the video, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about the video in the comments, man, bro. He definitely cooked her, though. Hey, right on the skillet, you hear me? But hey, tell me what y'all think about the video in the comments. Thank you guys for watching the video, and hey, see you guys next video. Hey, man, I was gonna forget my saying. Hey, be safe out there, kings. Let's get it.